Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Love Spause app, a unique and interactive app designed to help couples stay connected, communicate, and control paired devices in real time. Whether you're new to the app or just looking to understand its features better, this quick guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, download the Love Spause app from your mobile app store. You can also scan the QR code that comes with your device's packaging to get the official version. Once downloaded, open the app and register using your phone number or email address. After that, simply log in with your new credentials. Next, it's time to pair your device. Turn on your device. Then, tap the device icon inside the app. If Bluetooth is off, the app will prompt you to enable it. Once Bluetooth is active, your phone and device will automatically connect. After setup, you can connect with your partner, go to the Add Friends section, search for your partner's ID or email, and send a request. Once your partner accepts, you're officially connected and can start interacting. From there, explore the app's interactive modes: classic, video, and music mode. Each mode offers different ways to control the connected device and share experiences together. You can also chat or video call your partner directly within the app, making it both fun and intimate. Finally, don't forget to visit the settings menu to customize your notifications. You can turn on reminders for special dates, daily love tips, or other alerts that keep your connection strong. And that's it, you're all set to enjoy the Love Spouse app. Thank you for watching this video.